Billions of tiny little flakes. Looks like smoke in the air. Here we have the wind that's been pushing the snow through the screens on the windows. There. Nice. And actually sitting on the screen, that's sort of unusual. Downstairs in the three-season porch, the snow's actually gotten blown through some of the storm windows, which is not really supposed to happen, but it's small snow and it's high winds. Oh, there's the plow. Bryce asked about the plow. There it goes. There are really big plows that the city has, but the streets in my neighborhood are pretty narrow, so they tend to get plowed by heavy-duty pickup trucks instead of the big municipal plows.